on this video we're going to be talking more about an uptrend to identify support. So we're going to be using GBP/USD right now on this lesson, so pay attention. Don't forget to like this video, comment and share, subscribe to our YouTube channel so that whenever we drop updates, you're going to be the first to receive it. So right now we're going to be first going to this uptrend. So right now we're going to be spotting our trend lines to connect this uptrend, so that this uptrend going to be more relevant when we are identifying our support. So now we pick from the low to the high. Now we have the first trend line and we had another level here, this high here. We had this line, we had a high that connect to this other high. So we also have this level, higher high to this next higher high. Alright guys, now this trend have already become more effective to our market structure. So right now we're going to be identifying support. So we're going to be picking the most important things, what price did, the most important touches. We're going to be picking out those so that we can use those things to identify support. We have this level market. You can see that price did a good accumulation to the top side. But price do the good accumulation to the top side. We have this first low. According to the trend line, we have the touches, and we have these touches. Price pullback, we have these other touches again. So the fifth one that come break above the trend, right? So on the bottom side, as our support, we're gonna be seeing that we have the first touch, we have the second touch, representing the two touches on the bottom side, which is representing that buyers are already defending their zone. So buyers defending their zone, that means price gonna be giving you more accumulation to the top side. So right now price did a good accumulation to the top side, right? So price break above the previous high, which is had been creating previously. So price break above the previous high. So right now, after price break above the previous high, gave a proper higher high, created higher high, and it pulled back. Now this level has become support after the break to the top side. Told you guys, we're going to be marking out the most important touches. This level now acts as support. This level now acts as support. So currently we have the first support, we have the second support, and this is our first support, and this is our second support. All right, so right now price did a good higher high and a pullback. We have this continuation of accumulation to the top side, right? So now we're gonna be picking the next support. The next support we had it on this level. Let me zoom. So we can see clearly, right? Our next support gonna be coming out from this level, right? This level. So currently now we have already picked 3 important supports on this bullish trend. Right now we have the first support sitting from the main bottom of the trend. This support is the support that created the more buyer interest on this trend. So they picked the support from the downside, and we have the first support around this level. Price did a good accumulation to the top side. We have another support. So you can see that after our first support, second support we have was after the break of structure, right? When price break above the previous high which you have created previously. So price now started creating another new high. That is how market structure works. Whenever price break above the previous higher high which they are going to be creating, a new high, right? So for that new high, gonna be being a new trend, gonna be creating around that level. Yeah, that's what price really did around this level. So our third support which we picked was the main accumulation that lead the price to the more new new high which it created. So we cannot see that the support that we picked from this level was a very great support, the support that most relevant to the trend. Yeah, so yeah, that is called market structure, right? We trade with market structure. We are the first support. This is gonna be as our second support level also. Second support level, and this we have the third support at this level. So you can see when price trap into our third support, that's where we have the main stronger accumulation to the top side. All right. Good. Now we have used our uptrend to identify support on this video. So if you gain a good thing on this video, don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so that whenever we drop updates, you will be the first to know. And secondly, don't forget to turn on post notification, right? See you next video. Next video we're going to be talking about the downtrend to identify your resistance. In this video we have talked about support, so the next we're going to be talking about resistance.